Welcome to Financial Literacy for Beginners. Have you ever felt overwhelmed when it comes to managing your money? Don't worry, you're not alone. Understanding personal finance is a challenge for many, but here's the good news. You're taking the first step to mastering it. So, what is financial literacy? Simply put, it's the ability to understand and effectively manage your money. It's about making informed decisions, whether that's budgeting, saving, investing, or handling debt. Financial literacy isn't just for the wealthy or for financial experts. It's for everyone. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or planning for retirement, understanding how to manage your money can make a world of difference in your life. Why is financial literacy so important? Let's break it down. Avoid debt traps. Knowing how credit and interest work can help you steer clear of unmanageable debt. Build financial security. By saving and investing wisely, you can prepare for unexpected expenses and secure your future. Achieve your goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or traveling the world, financial literacy helps you turn dreams into reality. Without financial literacy, it's easy to fall into common pitfalls. Overspending, living paycheck to paycheck, or not saving for the future can create stress and limit your options. But with the right knowledge, you can avoid these traps and take control of your financial journey. In this course, we'll guide you step by step through essential topics like budgeting, saving, investing, and even planning for retirement. Each video is packed with practical tips and easy-to-understand concepts to help you make smarter financial decisions. Are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom? Let's make it happen together. Hit that subscribe button and join us for the next video, where we'll dive into the first step, budgeting basics.